Hey everyone, welcome to iFocus Tutorials. Do you know what happens when you pass a variable to a function in C? Let's quickly understand the difference between call by value and call by reference in just 2 minutes. In call by value, a copy of the variable is passed to the function. This means if the function modifies the variable, the original value in main remains unchanged. For example, here we have passed a to a function called as change value. Inside the function, the value of x becomes 100. But when we try to print the value of a here, it will still show 10. Why? Because only a copy of a was passed to the function. Let's quickly run this program and check the output. So, as we can see, the value of a that is printed is 10 because only a copy of variable was passed to the function. Now, in call by reference, we pass the address of the variable using AND a. Inside the function, we are dereferencing it using *x equal to 100. And now, this change affects the original value. So when we are going to try to print the value of here, it will show us 100. Why? Because we have modified the real value stored in the memory. Let's check the output here. Yes, we have changed the original value here, and that is why the value of a that is printed is 100. In short, call by value is copy of data, whereas call by reference is address of data. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more short and simple C programming tutorials.